How to fix PCI Simple Communications Controller driver missing on your Windows 10 or 11. So if you want to fix your PCI Simple Communications Controller driver is missing, then first make sure that you have an internet connection. After that, you need to right click on your Windows and then go with your device manager. After opening your device manager, now you just need to simply go with other devices, which will be under your network adapters, on the bottom of your network adapters. So in my case, I don't have that other devices, but you will have the other devices. You can go with the drop down and select the other devices. And from the other devices, you will have an option of PCI Simple Communications Controller. So you need to click on it and then go with Update Driver. Like for example, I'll go with this one. Right click on that and then go with Update Driver. And after updating your drivers, your problem might be fixed. Or if that doesn't fix your problem, then you can also just go with the system devices. Under your system devices, if you scroll down, then you will find an option of PCI controller. Once you find the PCI controller, then you need to select the PCI controller. For example, I'll go with this one. But if you have the PCI controller, you need to click on it and then go with properties, which will take you to this kind of interface. And now you can go with details and then go with the hardware IDs and select the first one. After that, you will have the first option. So you just need simply copy the first link. And after copying the first link, you need to go with your browser and paste that link right there. And it will take you to that particular driver or that particular hardware. So you just need to simply go and install it from your browser. And after installing or after setting that up, your problem will be fixed. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.